Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys all about how to transfer an image onto the canvas. This is especially good for all you newbies out there that may not be comfortable with drawing and you need just a little help. If you guys are new around here, welcome. My name is Danielle. I'm the artist behind Creative Girl of Color. And if you love this sort of content, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for all notifications. Let's get started. Okay, y'all, so the best transfer paper that I can recommend to you guys is what I like to call, well, it is Saral. It's called Saral wax-free, acid-free transfer paper, you guys. Boom, okay? You can't get any better than this. This is actually good for people who want to do, like, they trace things onto clothes or transfer images onto clothes and stuff like that. This is actually good for people who actually do sewing and things of that nature. So, but we're gonna use it. Like, this is what a lot of artists are using right now because it's the best thing on the market and it doesn't bleed. So yeah, pick you guys up something like this. I think you can get it at any Joann's, any Michael's. No, actually you cannot get this at Michael's. I'm sorry. So I actually picked this up in my local Joann's. I think it was like $7 or something like that. So yes, let's get into it. Alright, so now what I did is I bought myself a big roll of Saral paper. This packet that I just showed you is actually a sample packet. So it only has, I think it was probably like a few different samples in there of the transfer paper, and it comes in different colors, which is absolutely great, right? I actually bought the red because that shows up on black as well as white, and I bought a big roll of red, and I've already taken the liberty of cutting it out. So what we're going to do here is, now this is good for you newbies out there that are not too confident with drawing. You want to take your image, you choose any image, and of course the wind wants to be blowing at the same time. You can choose any image that you want to choose. I in particular chose flowers. Why? Because I love flowers, right? So I chose flowers, and it actually goes along with the 8x10 canvas that I have on my easel right now. So because it's an 8x11, and what I'm going to do is, you also want to get you some tape, right? I also have tape, and this is regular washi tape, sticky tape, or you can get a painter's tape, because you want to be able to tape these pieces down to your canvas so that you can get a proper image. Now what you do is, there's two different sides to your Saral paper, right? Your transfer paper. And it doesn't matter what type of transfer paper you get, it's going to be two different sides. The side that has the smooth, you know, bright coating, right, which is my reddish side, that's the side that is going to be laying down on my canvas, right? That's the side that's facing the canvas. This side is where your image should go, right on top. Bam, there you go, right? So now let's tape it on and see what we get. Now you want to get you a pencil, pen, or something with a pointy tip. In this case I'm getting, but you don't want something that's going to be too much where it's going to overwhelm your image. In this case I am getting my just random pencil that I found in my pencil case, and I'm going to use it to trace over my image. And here we go. And it's good if you have something like this, because then, and you want to kind of burnish it, press pretty hard so that you know exactly the areas that you actually went over. And I would recommend, in this case I'm using a watercolor pencil, which I should not be using because I'm just wasting my watercolor pencil. So I think I'm gonna go with a different pencil. I think I need something different so I'm not wasting mine all over the place. This is just another watercolor pencil. I don't think it even matters for real. Just so you can get that image transferred, and you can even go in here, you know, get those little bits, anything that's gonna help you with and you want to press pretty hard, but not too hard where you poke through your canvas, right? You don't want to poke through your canvas, and you want to pay attention to what you're really doing. My image wants to come off again. Okay, so now I'm gonna speed you guys up so you don't have to watch all the mundane stuff of me doing it, right? Boom. Okay guys, so it's time for the big reveal. We're gonna see if we actually got the image done properly. I actually switched to a ballpoint pen during the process, and voila! Wow, wow. Oh my god, yes. Now, in a perfect world, we would have got that image done nice and precise, but you really don't need that. You just need a good outline of what your things is gonna look like so that you know exactly where you need to paint, especially if you're a newbie out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.